If someone tell me to how much you invest in a Bepro network, absolutely I invest my all, my everything in a Bepro network, because Bepro is one of the unique coin, my friend, this time in the crypto market. To they make you millionaire? Absolutely. If you invest this time in a Bepro, absolutely they make you millionaire. So what's the prediction, my friend? Upcoming times Bepro is moving upward. What's the update? Everything I tell you, my friend, in this time. And remember, my friends, to Bepro is one of the very fastest coin. Let's see, my friends, to what's going on this time. In the previous days, my friend, Bepro is very badly fails now. You can see this time the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, but definitely in the current time, my friends, they're starting moving upward. You can see here, my friend, the current time is going to be very bad, but you can see here, my friend, the chart reason absolutely very good jump, my friend, and especially in the last 24 hours, my friends, they also, you can see here, after this point they fails down. So it's the main reason is that, my friends, especially the short time investor who invests for a short time, they are starting selling, so definitely they fails down. So if they cannot starting selling, then definitely, my friend, this is a viral coin, my friend, in this time in the crypto market. So kindly hold, especially if you are a short time investor, kindly don't sell it, wait for the end of this month. I hope, my friend, at the end of this month they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time, my friend. After this fails, they also take a very good jump. You can see here, after a jump they fails down, after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down again. So they are moving in this circulation. Absolutely, after this fails, they also take a very good jump. So if we check out, my friend, the last 1 hour chart to what's going on, absolutely I hope, my friend, the change occur is in positive. Let's see, my friend. You can see this time also, my friend, the change occur is now and the positive going now, but definitely, my friend, this time also they fail now. So in the start of this hour, my friend, but if you can see, my friend, this time they take a short jump. So definitely it's mean, my friends, to the change occurs a negative, absolutely change now to positive. So I hope, my friends, the good time is coming soon. I hope at the midnight, my friends, they give you very good profit and they give you very good change occur now. So kindly hold it and wait for end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. Thank you so much, everyone. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and follow ABS Tech channel. I hope you never lost.